guys, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to insert chapters in your YouTube videos and in return boosting your search engine optimization for your YouTube videos on Google specifically. So guys, watch this video till the end to find out how. I'm going to be using example of this video and I have opened it up for you. And guys, if you notice that there are chapters inserted in this video, so chapter number 1 is written, there is text on top of it, and if you see chapter number 2, there is text on top of it. Instructions are given that I have provided in the description of the video. So to initiate these chapter wise insertion in your YouTube videos, all you have to do is start your timestamps with this code 0:00. So when you do this, and the rest of the timestamps for every chapter, this feature will be enabled on your YouTube video. So as you can see in the description of the video, I have put all the timestamps, but the timestamp, the first one, is the most important to insert this chapter feature in your YouTube video. Guys, test it out. I'm going to leave this video link in the description box so you guys can check it and copy the method. This will boost your YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, not only on YouTube but also on Google search as well. Please let me know guys what you guys think of this new method that I have shared. I'll be signing off. Take care, my friends.